Hey guys, it's Apple Tech Review. Today I want to show you how you can connect your smartwatch to your phone, but this one is Smartberry S19. So if you have similar kind of watch, this is the way how you can connect it. Also other devices, you can also use the same way to connect your device. So you have to ensure that you open your Bluetooth on your device. Once you open it, it will search around. You will see all the devices that are around. Yes, so this is it. This is the device. Yeah, you can go ahead and scan if you don't see it. So once you click on it like this, it will automatically pair with your watch. Make sure you allow all the settings to access the contacts and all other permissions. So once you finish that one, when you go into your device, you'll be able to access your call logs and other contacts. As you can see, I'm accessing all my data. So even if I go into my messages, I can access my messages from my watch. Even once you go into the music, you should be able to access the music. As you can see, the music is already there. Then again, so that is what you can access. Even if you want to make calls, you can make calls via this watch after connecting it. Even let me show you. If you make like this one, you dial, you can be able to connect with your watch and you make calls. As you can see, it's already connected. And if you hear, the watch has also good sound. See? Yeah, so that is the way how you can connect. That is the way how you can connect your watch with your phone. But if you want to go ahead and do like these physicals, and you have to download the app for this watch. If you download the app for this watch, that's when you can access like your physicals and the other exercises via your watch, like this one. If you want to access more, you have to download the app. So how do you download the app for this watch? You have to use this barcode, the barcode given to you, or you can also follow up this menu and you know how to download it. So you can use your phone. You go into the scanner, you scan this one, then you click on this link. It will automatically take you to a website where you can download the app from, yeah, without any disturbance. Yeah, so always that is the way how you can connect your watch easily without any disturbance. Yeah. And then if you scan this one and it's not connecting, or it's showing you that cannot connect, you can go to Google and you type Smartberry S19 app download, or APK download. So once you click on it, it will show you like this. So you can go ahead and you click on this one here. You can find an app that is more compatible with this device. Yeah, for all Smartberry phones, or I mean for all Smartberry devices, especially the watches. And you go ahead and you download that one and you use it on your watch. Yeah, so guys, that is the simple way how you can use your watch, or how you can connect it without using the application, and you use it to connect your watch to your phone without any disturbance. So guys, that is it. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.